All right, got it home last night. Couldn't film it because it was too dark. Got it temporarily in this little RV storage area in our, this is our RV park that we live in. Actually, the RV area is over that way. This is mostly mobile homes. Yeah, there's a little area over here for people to store their RVs. So my next order of business is to empty this thing out. There are so many things in it, in the shelves, in the cabinets, underneath, that that we don't really even need. I'm gonna take it all out and separate it, figure out what we need and what we don't need, take the stuff that we do need and put it back in neatly so we have more room. Because I also, part of the process of doing all this is that I need to empty out the back of my truck. This is my old recliner. And also I have a bunch of wood in here. So I'm gonna probably take the recliner and get some upholstery cleaner and clean it up real good and stick it inside. All the wood I want to stick in one of these luggage compartments down here. That way I have enough room in the truck after we get the trailer down here and the bus up in our space to haul stuff in the truck back and forth. That's going to be a major process. That's going to be next weekend, starting Saturday. But until then, we got to get this thing ship shape, get it ready to put into our space. So I'm going to record a little bit of that. Here we go. So it's Monday evening, and we plan on moving our bus up to our space on Saturday. So for the first day, I just went through, and you've seen part of it on the video. I just went through kind of a treasure hunt because there was so much stuff in all the cupboards and cabinets and the luggage compartments that it wasn't even funny. There was so much stuff, and I'm going to show you all the treasures I found. If you know me, I'm into games and I love loot, and I looted and looted and looted. First, the biggest score that I made was these. You might have seen one of them on the video. It's a red katana, and that one's in the better shape than the black one. Both with good wooden sheaths and a machete, chopping off zombies' heads. I guess the katana would work better for that anyway, but I thought it was cool. Anyway, those are really cool. Also, probably saw it in the video, This air conditioner looks almost brand new. It's a little dusty, but I don't think it's been used. And all the owner's manuals for almost everything here. He's so cool. He's so cool. This is another big find. I really love this. I already had a Craftsman top box. I have it in my shed. It's a red one. Probably a little more heavier duty than these, but still there's a top box and a bottom box, both Craftsman. So that's a score. That's a big score. Also, over there is a freezer. It's a small freezer, but it's pretty cool. And a lot of tools. There's a lot of tools. Those actually came out of the toolboxes, most of them. And other miscellaneous stuff, and a lot of hardware stuff. Well, this is more tools. And that's about it. I'll be coming back out here tomorrow and trying to finish this all up. I still didn't get a chance to unload my truck. It's full of wood and stuff. I think you've seen that at the beginning of the video. So I'll get out here and get rid of the stuff that I don't want and try to pack in the stuff that I do want a little better than it already is, and put all my wood in this one compartment over here and take the toolboxes back to my woodshed. So anyway, that's it for this video, and I'll be back tomorrow with another one. Well, it might take a couple days to get it up on my channel. So anyway, till then, like, share, subscribe, support my channel if you can with PayPal, Patreon, all in the links below, and hope to see you next time. Have a good one, guys. Adios.